Hello, everybody, both in Facebook and in Instagram. This live today is going to be for the audience everywhere. So I would like to just to check if I'm already live for all my business owners, all online entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, and everybody who wants to build your business, to develop your business, to sign more clients, to have better and high ticket offers, everything of this we are going to cover. Today I want to talk about the first rule in marketing and in sales, and it is that you need to have a product or a service to sell. This is the first rule in marketing and in sales. If you don't have what to sell, you're lost. And today's free workshop, which is going to take place in the Vault, is about the scalable product suite. Stay with me till the end. I will explain what does this mean and why do you need it, how it is going to help you. Hello, my name is Marina and I'm a marketing consultant. I help entrepreneurs, business owners, coaches and consultants to build your offers, your programs, to make your content appropriate for your services, and of course to be able to sell your services. I'm helping you to build your launching strategies, your promotional content, and everything which you need in order to build and scale your profitable business system. I currently help my clients with building their profitable business systems to attract clients and to sign in or to sell their services and products. And this is the first thing you need to develop. It is not the content. I know that many coaches and consultants in the industry is telling you that your content is the most important. Yes, it is, but if you don't have products or services to sell, your content sucks and goes to nowhere. And this is because you need to know what you're doing and how you're going to earn this money, so you can build your content around this, and you will be able to educate and nurture your audience when you know what you are selling. So stay till the end. I will explain everything. I'm not saying that the content is not important, just the opposite. But first you need to do some other things before we go to the content. And it is not also important only to attract your clients, to attract the audience. It is not only important to build funnels. It's not these things. I know you're going to be frustrated, but I will tell you that the most important thing for your business is to develop your programs, products, or services. This is the first thing you need to do. And I will tell you why. It is because if you don't know what to sell and how to sell it, the following things are happening with you. First, if you don't have programs, services, products, whatever, doesn't matter what kind of business you have, what happens? You don't have a business, but you have a hobby. You're posting some content from time to time, which could be valuable and classy, but still it is not bringing you cash. And this is the role of the business, to earn money for you and to make money. And how you make money? By selling something. Second, what happens when you don't have these products and services and your product suite? The second thing is that you're getting confused. You don't know what to post today. You don't know what to do next. You are going in the negative circle, which is I suck, I don't sign clients today, I'm tired of this, I'm already in burnout, what to do today, how to attract clients today, maybe I should do this and that, and it is a never-ending process and a negative circle, which we don't want you to be there. You also say, I will buy another course for client attraction, which is cheap. Stop here. Stop here. You need to build your structure and your offers, first of all. Then the third thing which happens is that when you don't have an offer, You cannot build your launching and your promotional plan. You get into burnout, you blame yourself, you're getting confused, your clients are getting confused, you're getting exhausted, and you also exhaust your audience because mm, you're posting content or you're sending newsletters which say nothing. I have seen this so many times, and that is why um, I'm commenting this topic today. I see it every single day with my clients, and this is what I help them. First of all, you need to have a product suit, and please don't exhaust your audience. It is not the right attitude for your business. And if you don't have this structure, this system, and your product, this is a path to destruction. You're going to burn out, you're going to get exhausted, you're going to get into the negative circle, which I already told you about. I don't want this for you. So let's get down to work. The right dream clients are not going to come to you if you do not have clear offers and you do not offer them these offers. But how you can offer them these offers? With building them first. And you really need to be clear what are the offers that you have, what is your low ticket offer, what is your mid ticket offer, what is your high ticket offer. These are different things and they have different goals. And when you are not familiar with this, you're going into the negative circle, which we want to get you out of there. You also very often do not understand the difference between the structure of the business and the strategies that you need to have. And you cannot make your action plan, your launching, and you cannot sign those clients. This causes lack of clients, lack of money, and exhausting you and your audience. And what happens then? You give up. I have seen this so many times with my clients, and when they come to me, they are really exhausted, they are really frustrated, they are feeling like they cannot do anything right, which is not the thing. You just need to have structure, you need to have your offers, and you need to build your promotional plan. But you cannot do it if you don't have this product suite. That is why today I'm hosting a free workshop in my vault, which is free. And I'm going to explain you and teach you how to build the profitable, sustainable and scalable product suite, or say, set in a simple language, this is what offers do you need to have if you want to be able to attract your dream clients, to turn cold into hot leads, how to make them buy your high ticket offers, because this is a process. And you need to warm your audience in order to make them buy your offers. Doesn't matter which one. And in this workshop, I'm going to teach you what is the buyer psychology and what are the different types of buyers, because very often you also don't understand this and you don't understand what is the goal of different offers, and they are very often connected one to another. And you are able to scale your clients which come from cold lead. They could be not ready to invest in your high ticket programs, and then when you have a low ticket offer, if this person is interested and this person resonates with your energy and if you are the right fit, maybe they are willing to buy your low ticket offer. And then when they see the value and that everything that you say in this low ticket offer works, then they are ready to come and buy your high ticket offer. You need to understand this connection. Sometimes you could have clients who are ready in 1 hour listening to you to buy your high ticket offer, but this is not always the case. That is why you understand that there are different products in our portfolio and they have different goals. And we want to cover these goals and to be able to sign as many clients as possible. So I want you to understand that there are difficult type of buyers, there is buyer's psychology, and I want you to to understand this and to make it easier for you to sell your different offers. And also I'm going to teach you how to make the buyer's journey easy, because this is another mistake which I see you are making daily. I see it very often, not in every client, but maybe in 70% of the clients. I have this issue where you are making this mistake with prolonging the buyer's journey, making it too difficult, making them staying in your DMs, which is absolutely useless for you and for your clients. Don't do this. Don't. Make yourself a favor and your clients a favor, and don't waste your time and their time. Especially if your clients are already into the business, and not only. We are all busy, and time is very valuable asset. It is limited. We don't have tons of time. And don't waste your time and your client's time. Please make the buyer's journey as easy as possible. Don't make some difficult funnels, some complicated funnels. Please don't do this. Let's make it as easy as possible. And I don't want you to miss your clients. What I see, you have clients that like your content, they watched your lives, your videos, your webinars, they are ready to buy from you, but you keep them in your DMs. Instead of giving the link and send them to buy. There are people who are already convinced, they are ready to buy, but you prolong the buyer journey, and this is a mistake you are doing which costs you a lot of money and clients. So I'm going to discuss also this. And for who is this workshop? This workshop is for you if you need to know what offers do you need in your product suite so you have effective sales and easy sales. If you want your clients to become from cold to hot leads and to buy your offers, to buy more of your offers and to buy your high ticket offers, because very often you are focusing only on high ticket offer. But if you have also low ticket offer and a lead who is cold, let's say they buy your low ticket offer and then come to you and buy your high ticket offer, then you have two wins. And you understand, I guess, that you're making two sales already, which of course means higher profit for you. So if you want to build these offers, and another thing which is important to avoid the cannibalization. What does it mean, cannibalization in your product suite? This is when you have offers that are covering, or products that are covering what are they healing, what are they helping for, and it is not clear for the client what they buy, why should they buy. They see maybe similar offers and they are not sure, they are confused, and that's why they are buying nothing. So we are going to discuss this, and you will understand and you will be able to sell all your offers in your portfolio with this free workshop. So join, we start in 2 hours, join the vote, there will be a recording, you can also watch it later. If you cannot make it right at the time of the happening of the workshop, but please don't waste your time anymore. Come to the free workshop in my free vote. You can comment here to send you the link for joining the vote, or also it is available in my stories today. And you are going to find the right steps to build your product suite, to build your offers, and to be able to sell more. To sell more, this is the main goal. Because even having little clients as number, you can sell even more, because these are your loyal clients who believe you and they are going to be your customer for a long time. It is not necessary that you always attract new clients for each new offer. And you can also propose your newest offers first to your current clients, because you have to nurture your current clients and they are your best clients. So I'm going to teach you how to do this, with what products, with what services. We are going to discuss this. So don't waste any more time. Come to my free workshop. Today we are starting in 2 hours. Join the vote. It is for free. And we are going to discuss all this. You will also find there another workshops which are going to help you to build your systems in a way that your business is going to work for you and not you for your business. I welcome you there in the vote. Welcome to this free workshop. See you later. Bye bye.